Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make keema samosa. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. So first, in a bowl, add wheat flour, ajwain, oil and salt. Now add water and knead the dough. Wet your hand and keep kneading the dough until soft and smooth. Cover it with a wet cloth and leave for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead the dough some more and make little dough balls. Now flatten the dough and cut it into two halves. To make a cone, dab some water on the straight side and stick it like this. Now we add the keema filling. Recipe link for keema is in the description. Now dab the water on the open side and stick that as well. Make more samosas like this. We'll put the samosas in preheated oil on medium flame. Flip them to cook evenly on both sides. Take it out when it is golden brown. Serve it hot with a dip of your choice. Voila! Keema samosa is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.